Hey, what's up guys? This is the car porter here at the Peterson Automotive Museum. We did a Scottsdale rally with this GX. We'll be washing this Lexus today using Sonax products and using our foam cannon and some of these other chemicals like the iron fallout, our spray and seal, and then our wheel cleaner. All right guys, so after rinsing your car of all these elements, we're gonna go ahead and use the wheel cleaner to clean these tires. Spray it all over the wheel. The cool thing about this product that it changes colors once it starts working. So it'll go from the clear color to the purple color. That tells you that it's breaking down all that grime, brake dust. After you've used your wheel cleaner, you can either pressure wash it off or you can agitate it with a brush. So depends how dirty your rims are. So you can just work the areas, agitate it a little bit to assist it with moving some of that debris or brake dust that might have in there. And then just give it a light scrub. Now that we've applied the soap with the foam cannon, we'll be scrubbing it using a 2-bucket method. So obviously, you get your first sponge, give it a wipe down and come and rinse it off onto the first bucket and then go to your second bucket and then go from there. So we'll start on that. After we've rinsed the vehicle, we'll be adding the spray and seal to add another layer of protection to the paint. So after applying your spray and seal, you want to go ahead and rinse it off before it dries on there. All right guys, so the next step now, we'll be taking our Sonax dry towel and just drying up the vehicle.